Hi guys, in today's video I will be talking about the strategy that I stumbled upon on the internet, of course, naturally, as always. And yeah, I took this strategy for a spin because it is marketed as a 100% or a 98% as far as I remember, accuracy. So it sounds something like a holy grail. So yeah, let's take this strategy for a spin and do the backtest. And yeah, later I will share with you the results of the backtest naturally, so you will not have to do it by yourself, and you could just take the end product and eventually see what can be improved or not. So yeah, let's dive into the platform. And to trade this strategy, most likely you will have to use a trading view, because I think some of the indicators are not available on other platforms. I didn't check that 100%, so you need to correct me if I'm wrong. Also, I don't think you will have to pay for the trading view to pay them for this for the service to have access to those indicators. But again, I have a paid version, so I don't know if those particular ones are included in the free plan. So either way, let's dive into the platform, and yeah, let's talk about the ingredients. So, and the first indicator is a trend indicator, A minus V, it is a version 2.2 by the guy called Dziwne. I think it is a Polish person, because the word dziwne is a Polish word and it means weird in English. So yeah, let's check this indicator. Trend indicator is this one. Trend indicator A minus version 2, I guess, a smoothed hike and ashy by the guy called Dziwne. Okay, so that's the first ingredient. And let's change the settings, because we need to set the first MA period for 50 and the second for 10. Okay, hit OK. Next indicator is one of the most popular, super trend. Let's add it to the chart, and a super trend needs to have settings with 9. Source you don't change, and the ATR multiplier 3.9. Okay. And the last last indicator is the QQE mod. So it will be additional filter, QQE mod. QQE mod, and it looks like this. So basically we have the super trend that signaling for us entry levels, this trend indicator signaling us the trend, and additional filter in the form of the QQE mod. And as for the QQE mod, you leave the settings with the default. So the strategy goes as follows. As for the buy trade, most likely you know how it will go. We need to have confirmations from those 3 indicators. So first we need to have super trend signaling us with this ticker buy, and the line needs to be green in order to entry. Second thing is this ribbon needs to be changed the color from red to this green, sea blue, something like that. And of course we need to have confirmation in the QQE mod. Let's lower the mic a little bit. And so for us, for example, in this situation, let's zoom it in for you to have a better visual on this example. So here the ribbon changed the color. We have already confirmation from the super trend, from the QQE. So now we are changing from the waiting for the ribbon, and we can say that at this candle it was clearly visible that the color has changed, and so this would be for us our signaling candle, our trigger candle, and we are entering at the opening of the following candle, the next one. So we are opening over here at this candle. So as for the stop loss, we are setting the stop loss below the ribbon, so it will be over here. For us, for this, it is a 64.4 pips, and we are taking the 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Therefore, if it is a 64.4, we are looking at 128.8 take profit. the distance from the entry to the take profit level. So 120, 8.8. Okay, it doesn't need to be so accurate to the micro pip. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit and let's stretch our trade. And this example was profitable. So you can see risk reward ratio is 2 to 1. Therefore, we are risking twice less than potentially we can earn. So first, this is as for the buy trade, and as for a sell trade, let's go for the left side. I of course picked the good examples for you in order to have good visual, good perspective on the entries. So good understanding of it. And next situation, sell trade. So first we need to have a ribbon on the red color. Super trend is signaling us with the ticker to sell. And the QQ emote is also pink by default. It is the color of the for the sell signal. So this is our trigger candle. And this following one, and this green one, is our entry candle. So let's mark that with a short position. As previously, stop loss above the ribbon. It is a 21 pips distance. So it will be 42 as for the take profit. 40. Okay, 42. Let's stretch that, and you can clearly see that this trade was also profitable. So this strategy looks quite promising, but it doesn't look so good if we go with the to the moment where the price was ranging. For example, over here you can see you have the situation where, for example, you have this situation where the super trend signaling you sell, QQE is signaling sell, but the ribbon is still green. So you can see it filters some of the false signals. But you need to watch out when the price is ranging and there is a tight range. As for example, what I have on mean that the price is bouncing inside the ribbon. It is also very risky to take a trade on that moment. So we discussed the sell trade and a buy trade. So maybe now let's jump onto the results. So as for the win rate ratio, we have 52 winners and 48 losers, which means it has a 52% profit win rate ratio. So as for the consecutive losses and consecutive wins, so it has 4 consecutive wins and 2 consecutive losses. And as for the overall profit, the gross profit, it is of course because this backtest doesn't include any of the commission and the spread costs. So it is 56% because we are trading risk reward ratio 2 to 1. So you can easily calculate if you have those numbers. If you are interested either way, how many pips it gains and how many pips it lost. So in total, the pips that this system gain was 7,004 pips gained and 3,116 pips it lost. So in overall, it gave you around 3,900 pips gain over the course of 100 trades. It was a period of I think around a year. To be honest, I didn't mark the period where I started and where I ended. So yeah, right now I am recording and I need to. And it is hard to tell, hard to check it out. So as you can see, this strategy might be interesting, and I have a question for you. If you could, firstly, check this strategy on yourself. So you need to download the TradingView platform or just check it in the browser. Check this strategy and let me know what do you think we could do here to improve this strategy in order to have a better win rate ratio. it looks very promising even at this stage, but there is always a place for improvement. So yeah, I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, remember to check also the original video. I will leave the link in the description. And of course, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And of course, check the LiteFinance on other social media like Instagram and TikTok, because I'm also posting stuff over there too. So yeah, follow me on this journey over there as well. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.